No, I'm working on getting it.
Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you
Judge,
time to
there's
get
personal injury on this.
Yeah, I got injuries and I left in an ambulance from the site.
Okay. But we don't have a moving violation in here. So I'm going to give time. Do we have a complaining witness in court that was involved in an accident with Ariana Carvajal on March 20th at 12:03 a.m. on Ridge Avenue? All right. So I'm going to give you time to come into compliance with these things. Do you have insurance?
No.
All right. So
I don't have the vehicle anymore. I lost it.
Well,
so I don't have any vehicle.
Right. You're going to need to get insurance on yourself. You can go to any currency exchange and get SR22 insurance. I'm going to give you until September 1st.
Let me write this down. Sorry. SR22 by September 1st.
And your driver's license. Come back.
Okay. No, I'll definitely have that by then.
Okay. The driver's license. If you have that when you come back, that ticket should get dismissed. For the insurance, it'll entitle you. You should be eligible for a reduced fine. Okay.
Reduced. Okay.
All right. So motion defendant to 9/1/22 at 9 a.m. Status on driver's license proof of insurance. I'm putting that for both tickets. Same Zoom information as today. Okay.
Can you repeat that, please?
It's going to be continued till September 1st. At 9 a.m. For status on the driver's license and proof of insurance.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. We have Samantha Chacon, ticket TN.
Yes.
776991. You're the complaining witness in the Ocampo matter?
Correct.
I said it's Ivan Ocampo. All right, so it's a different. So do you have insurance?
Yes.
Did you have insurance on May 10th?
Yes.
Can you show that to me?
Yes. Right here. Can't really.
Can you hold that closer, please?
Yes.
Apollo Casualty Company?
It's so it's from United Auto Insurance.
Okay. Can you show me the effective date, please?
It says 5/11/22.
So you did not have insurance on 5/10.
I did. So I had called the insurance and I had told them the accident, everything on 5/10/22, which is when the policy began, and they said that they were gonna fix it, but this is what they gave me.
Okay. Do you have the ability to get some type of proof that you were insured on 5/10?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna continue this matter so you can come back with that proof. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. It's gonna be motion defendant to July 27th.
July 27th.
At 9 a.m., same Zoom information as today for status on proof of insurance, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. We'll see you back on the same Zoom information as today, July 27th.
Got it. And then when I come back, how would I get my license back since they took it?
Once it gets resolved, it should be mailed back to you if you're at the same address, okay?
And if I don't?
If you don't live at the same address, you'll text me your current address, and we'll make sure that it gets mailed to that address.
All right, sounds good.
You'll private chat it on that date, okay? But we'll deal with that on 7/27.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thank you. We have a Daily Center matter coming in. Daily Center matter, Joy Sapp.
Hello, sir.
Good morning. Ticket TX 128452. Welcome back, City.
Hi.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we have Daily Center matter, Joy Sapp. It's first time up. This is meeting a 65 and a 45 zone.
City would offer a $90 fine.
Okay, Ms. Sapp, the city's offering to resolve this matter with you today for a $90 fine plus court costs of $254.50. The total amount owed by you would be $344.50, and supervision for 4 months, meaning you don't get a ticket for 4 months. Is that something you're willing to accept today? Otherwise, we can set this for a trial.
No, sir.
You'd like to set this for trial?
That would be great.
All right. Defendant in court. This is a key of D. That would be July 27th. Motion defendant to 7/27/22 at 9 a.m. with for bench Zoom. So same Zoom information as today on July 27th at 9 a.m. for the trial, okay?
Okay, is there going to be some kind of link, or do I have to come back down here for the trial?
Before you leave, they can give you a Zoom sheet to log in from anywhere.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Please be safe. Okay, let's recall Ethan Weiss, ticket TX 036350 and 351. Defendant's attorney is in court.
Good morning, Your Honor. I recount on behalf of Ethan Weiss.
Good morning again. Counsel already showed me proof of insurance with respect to the second ticket.
And it was compliant insurance?
It seemed to have been compliant insurance. You want to
All
see
right. No, I'll take the representation. Motion say non-suit, the no insurance ticket.
it? Motion city non-suit is to count 2. As to count 1, which is the disobeying a red signal.
Your Honor, could you do a call for complaining witness?
We have a complaining witness who is involved in an accident with Ethan Weiss on or about March 24th at 5:34 a.m. on 2E Avenue. You're here. Please identify yourself now.
Right. Hearing nothing, motion say DWP.
Motion city DWP, complaining witness not in court. All right, thank you very much.
Your Honor.
All right, you'll file a written demand, please. No, actually, you can't make it. Your defendant is not in court.
Okay, Your Honor, forget the DDT.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
counsel. Have a nice weekend.
You too.
All right, we have Moody Budin Said, ticket TX 135937. This matter is set for bench trial for today. Defense's answer ready. Defendant is in court. Defendant's attorney is in court.
Your Honor, could you do a call? I believe we're looking for an Officer George.
Is Officer George in court, please? Please identify yourself now.
Hearing nothing, motion say DWP.
Motion city DWP, police officer not in court.
DDT for the record, Your Honor.
All right, you'll file a written demand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, written demand to be filed. All right, thank you very much, counsel.
Judge, we'll just withdraw that written demand.
Okay. So no DDT.
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We are calling Noah Glatchman, ticket TX 135550.
Good morning, Judge John Plastic, PLAS, CAK, Attorney Code 60950. On behalf of Noah, Judge, I do have an affidavit that I sent to the city attorney's office, so I'd ask that his presence be waived this morning.
Defendant's not in court, defendant's appearance will be waived. And City, if you could forward that to me so that I have that to attach to the ticket.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll forward that to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Green.
All right, this is one ticket, 65 and a 45 zone.
City would offer a $90 fine.
So $90 plus court costs and supervision for 4 months. Otherwise, we can set this for trial.
So, Judge, I when I spoke with him, I didn't anticipate the $90 fine. I told him it would likely be the mandatory assessments. Mr. Green, if you're willing to do that, we can accept that today. If not, we'll have to set it for trial.
That's fine. City will amend its offer to a $0 fine, just the assessments and 4 months supervision.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm putting in there, defendant's attorney has affidavit attached. It's going to be a plea of guilt, a finding of guilt, $0 fine, supervision, 4 months, mandatory assessments, $254.50. This is going to be continued motion defendant to 10/11/22 at 9 a.m. Status on the payment of the $254.50. And I'm saying defendant's appearance will be excused next court date if paid in full.
Thank you, Judge, and thank you, Mr. Green. I do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. Do we have any other attorney matters? We have Attorney O'Reilly. Counsel O'Reilly? Attorney O'Reilly? All right. Let's call Malik Coleman to get TX 128979.
How you doing today?
Good morning. This is defendant's first time in court. This is order of court today. This is 68 to 45 zone.
Your Honor, the city would offer a $90 fine.
All right. Mr. Coleman, the city's offering you to resolve this matter today if you were to plead guilty for a $90 fine, mandatory court cost of $254.50. The total amount owed by you would be $344.50 plus supervision for 4 months, meaning you don't get a ticket for 4 months. Is that something you're willing to accept, or do you want to set this for a trial?
I was going to say that on a ticket he put 65 and then he altered it to 68, and I would like to take it to trial because I feel that it was unfair.
Okay. It's going to be motion dependent. This is a key, also key of D. So we said it was the 27th.
Yes.
Motion dependent to 7/27/22 at 9 a.m. with for bench Zoom.
Okay, you said 7/27/22
Correct.
at what
Yeah.
time?
9 a.m. Same time, same Zoom information as today.
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Take care. Be safe. We have Teonora Sweet, ticket TX 135557. This is also first time up. This is also speeding 70 in a 45 zone.
The city would offer a $90 fine.
Ms. Sweet? I'm sorry, you're muted. You have to unmute. Are you on the phone? All right. I can't hear you. You're not coming through.
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Okay. No, I don't have any moving violations. I'm a safe driver. I'll take it to trial.
You're going to take it to, okay, so it's going to be motion defendant. This is also key of D, so it's going to be defendant in court, motion defendant to 7/27 at 9 a.m. with her bench Zoom. All right, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
We'll see you on July 27th, 9 a.m., same Zoom information as today.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you for being in court today. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Let's call Attorney O'Reilly again. All right, let's call Travis Miller. Are you Jarvel Miller? Jarvel Miller? Can you hear me? You're not coming through. Your audio isn't working. Are you also on the phone? Mr. Miller? Can you try directly connecting to audio? It's not coming through on the phone. All right, while we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and call Charles Connor. Ticket TX 135994.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is also, first time up, this is also speeding 70 in a 45 zone, also Lakeshore Drive.
City would offer $90 fine.
Right. Mr. Connor, the city's offering to resolve this matter today. If you wish to plead guilty, it would be the $90 fine, $254.50 in court costs, supervision for 4 months. The total amount owed by you would be $344.50, or we can set this for trial.
Set this for trial, Your Honor.
All right. Motion defendant. This is also the key of D, so it's also to 7/27/22 at 9 a.m. with for bench Zoom.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Say that one more time.
July 27th.
July 27th. Okay.
All right. We'll see you then.
I think it's the same Zoom information.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. It was the same Zoom information?
Yeah, same Zoom information as today.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
All right. Thank you.
All right, bye.
All right. Once again, Attorney O'Reilly. Attorney O'Reilly. And if people could change their screen names to reflect the name that's on their ticket so I can easily find it, we have a very large call for today.
This is for Rodrigo Ocampo. I'll put it in the chat, Your Honor.
Okay, I have a Rodrigo Ocampo, ticket TX 212044045.
That's correct. That's it.
All right, excellent. The defendant's attorney is in court. Is the defendant in court?
Yes, he'll be here, Your Honor.
Attorney number, please.
42116.
One more time.
42116.
Thank you.
This matter is set for bench trial for today.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Defense answer and ready?
Yes, Judge.
State? Our city?
If you could do a call for a Miss Dawson and or an officer.
Is Karen Dawson in court? Karen Dawson, are you in court? Is there an officer, star number 5598, in court?
Right. Hearing nothing, motion city DWP.
Motion city DWP. Complaining witness not in court. Police officer not in court.
And which ticket?
This is TX 213044 and 045.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Have a good one, Your Honor.
Judge, was Mr. Ocampo here?
Yes, defendant was in court. He was in the attorney's office. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Jarvile Miller. Jarvile Miller. Are you here?
Who is this?
Travis Miller.
Speaking. Good morning, Your Honor.
Ticket TX 128913. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
This is also first time up. This is also speeding 62 in a 45 zone. Also Lakeshore Drive.
The city would offer a $0 fine, just the assessments.
All right. Mr. Miller, if you wish to resolve this today, the city is willing to resolve this for a $0 fine, mandatory court costs of $254.50, supervision for 4 months, meaning don't get a ticket for 4 months, Alternatively, we can set this for trial.
I guess I have to accept that, Your Honor.
So you wish to accept the offer?
I really can't hear you clearly, but
Do you wish to accept the offer of settlement? It would be a $0 fine, $254.50 in court costs, and supervision for 4 months. Alternatively, you can go to trial on this matter.
I'll take it to trial, Your Honor.
All right, motion defendant. This is also key of D. Your trial is going to be on July 27th, 22 at 9 a.m. with for bench Zoom.
Okay.
All right, July 27th, 9 a.m. Same Zoom information as today.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for being in court today. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
What day is it? $250 for the court cost alone.
Please mute. We have Dolores Thompson. Ticket TX 128958. This is a municipal violation for dealing with a pedestrian.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Could you tell me what you see as on the ticket, please, again?
It's a 9-40-030.
All right. Motion stay non-suit.
All right. All right. Ms. Thompson?
Yes.
The city has decided to dismiss this ticket, so you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you for being in court today. We have Tia Martin, ticket TX 035931.
Here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is use of a cell phone while driving. First time up.
Motion stay non-suit.
Motion city non-suit. All right. Ms. Martin,
Yes.
the city has decided to dismiss your ticket, but please be mindful not to use your phone, okay?
It wasn't on the phone. That's why they're dismissing it. I had to file a complaint against the officer. I drive a car that has hands-free. Thank you.
All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We have LV Harvey, ticket TX 128435. This is first time up. This is also speeding 59 in a 45 zone, also on Lakeshore Drive.
City would offer a $0 fine.
Ms. Harvey?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. The city's offering to resolve this ticket with you today. If you plead guilty, it would be a $0 fine, $254.50 in mandatory assessments, and supervision for 4 months. Alternatively, you can take this to trial.
I'd like to take it to trial.
All right, this is going to be motion defendant. It's also key of D. Motion defendant to 7/27/22 at 9 a.m. with per bench Zoom.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor.
We'll see you then. Take care. Be safe. All right, we have an attorney button for Peter Egger.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Dale Botton, BOTON. This is just for payment of the supervision fees. Peter,
This is payment. This is continue for today's term.
Judge, it's paid in full.
All right.
Okay.
STD FBP.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much, counsel.
I would have been nice if he would have let me know that, but that's par for the course.
It's always a pleasure seeing you, and have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Montez Williams, ticket TX 034-563 and 564 and 565. This was order of court to today's date. We have 3 tickets. The first one is a taillight being inoperable. Second ticket is no valid driver's license. Third is operating an uninsured vehicle. Mr. Williams, do you have insurance?
Montez Rashad Williams here by special request, special appearance, executor, beneficiary, equitable title holder. I'm expressing the trust today.
You expressing, say that one more time, please.
I'm expressing the trust today as the executor, beneficiary, equitable title holder.
All right. I'm going to pass your matter. All right. Telephone number, it's a 312 ending in a 970. Can you unmute, please? We have LaShawn Lester. Take a TX 128964. LaShawn Lester? LaShawn there? Can you unmute, please? LaShawn Lester.
They're waving, Judge, but they don't have their mic on.
Okay. Can you unmute, please? You need to push on the microphone. Can you hear me? This is first time up. This is use of mobile device while driving.
It's going to be motion say non-suit.
All right. LaShawn Lester, are you there? LaShawn Lester, can you turn on the camera so I can see you? You can hold up your thumbs up to see if you can hear me. Can you do a thumbs up if you can hear me? Can you hear me? Madam Clerk, your background is on blur. Yes, you can hear me? All right, so your ticket has been dismissed. You're excused. Thank you. We have Lance Irvin, ticket TX 128967.
How are you, Judge?
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is also, first time up, this is also use of a mobile device while driving.
Motion say non-suit.
Motion city non-suit. All right. Mr. Irvin, thank you for coming to court today. The city has decided to dismiss this ticket.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you.
You're excused. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, we have a telephone number. It's 312 ending in an 890. 890. Unmute by *6, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is John Cater, Cater. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm just looking for ear. John Cater, ticket TX 128954.
Yes, sir.
This is order of court to today's date. This was pedestrian having a right-of-way in a crosswalk. It's municipal code 9-24-030.
City would offer a $90 fine.
All right. Mr. Cater?
Yes, sir.
So the city's offering to resolve this matter with you today. If you want to plead guilty, it would be a $90 fine, court costs of $254.50, for a total owed value of $344.50, and supervision for 4 months, meaning don't get a ticket for 4 months. Are you willing to accept that, or do you want this for trial?
I'll set it for trial, Judge, because I was not guilty.
So your trials, you should appear via Zoom, not on the telephone, so we can actually see you, okay?
All right, it'll be, I'm sorry, sir, I can't understand what you're saying.
All right, when you appear for your trial date is going to be on July 27th.
Yes, sir.
At 9 a.m., same in Zoom information as today.
Okay.
You're actually going to appear on a camera. If you need to, you can come down to the Daily Center and use the Zoom room that's located there. It's CL16. That way you can be on the camera and we can, whoever the judge is, if it's me or somebody else, we can actually see you so we can assess your.
Okay, I'll come down to the daily. Will you get in that room again, please, sir?
CL16.
CL16.
C, as in concourse level.
Okay, D.
C, concourse level.
C. I'm sorry. C. CL
16.
116.
And it's going to be on July 27th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. We have a telephone number. It's 312 ending in a 970. 970. Star 6 to unmute, please. We have Vincent Jenkins, ticket TX 135598.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is first time up. This is speeding 61 in a 45 zone, also Lakeshore Drive.
Yes.
The city would offer a $0 fine.
All right, Mr. Jenkins, if you would like to resolve this today, the city is willing to do so for a $0 fine. Mandatory court costs of $254.50. So the total amount owed by you would be $254.50. It would be 4 months of supervision, meaning don't get a ticket for 4 months. If you'd like to accept that, please let me know. Otherwise, we can set this for a trial.
Trial.
All right. It's going to be motion defendant to 7/27/22 at 9 a.m. with for bench Zoom. All right? Same Zoom as today.
Okay, cool.
All right. We'll see you then. Please be safe.
All right.
Thank you. We have an attorney coming in. Telephone number. Counsel Gavazzi. Attorney Gavazzi. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Sorry, I was trying to mute myself.
That's all right. What matter are you here for?
I'm here on Devancier Montgomery.
Devancier Montgomery, ticket TX 032127 and 128. This
Attorney
was
number.
order of court to today. Go ahead.
We need attorney number.
Sure, one moment. I have my ARDC number. However, since I've not received my card in the mail yet, I've not been able to get my Cook County number. But my ARD, excuse me?
Okay.
Okay, sorry about that. So my ARDC number is 6340829. And Mr. Montgomery is actually in jail on another charge right now. So Mr. Decker, his attorney whom I work for, is just requesting a date.
All right. The next key date is 7/27.
Okay, that should work for him.
Well, actually, this is a Y. That would be July 20th.
Just one moment, sorry. That should work.
All right, so motion defendant to July 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm going to call it status all matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, we have a telephone number. It's a 312 ending in a 970. Please unmute star 6. All right, we have a telephone number 773 ending in a 444. Star 6 to unmute, please.
Hi.
Hi, what's your
This
name?
is John Peoples. Yes, John Peoples.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is John Peebles, ticket TX 135592. The defendant is in court. This is first time up. This is speeding 66 in a 45 zone. Also Lakeshore Drive.
Say would offer a $0 fine.
Okay, Mr. Peebles, if you would like to resolve this matter today, the city is willing to do so for a $0 fine, mandatory court costs of $254.50, supervision for 4 months, meaning don't get a ticket for 4 months. Are you willing to accept that, or do you wish to set this for a trial?
I would risk to send it to a trial.
All right. Motion defendant. This is also key of D. So to 7/27/22 at 9 a.m. with for bench Zoom. And Mr. Peebles, it would be good if you actually appeared on a camera using Zoom so that you can be seen during the trial, okay?
Certainly, I'll definitely do that. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much for being in court today. We'll see you then. Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. You too. All right. Telephone number 312 ending in a 970. *6 to unmute, please. All right. Let's recall. Montez Rashad Williams. Ticket TX 034 563 and 564. The defendant is in court.
Montez Rashad Williams hereby special appearance as the executive beneficiary equitable title holder, expressing the trust.
All right. I understand the argument that you're making, but the
objection.
For what basis?
I would like the motion to dismiss, sir.
Motion to dismiss will on what basis?
There's no evidence. There's no complaining witness.
Well, we're not having a trial yet. If you want to set this for a trial, we can.
What's the purpose for a trial if there's no evidence? There's no complaining witness in court.
We have 2 tickets. The first one is taillights inoperable. Second one is no valid driver's license. Sorry, 3 tickets. And the third is operating an uninsured vehicle.
Can I have the order of the court?
For what?
Whatever the order is.
The order of the court right now is nothing. Would you like to have a trial on these?
How can I settle this today, sir?
Do you have a driver's license?
I wasn't given any lawful obligation to have one, sir. I informed the officer on the scene that I was traveling in my private property. It doesn't require a driver's license.
Were you operating a vehicle on the roads of the state of Illinois?
No.
You were not on 69th Street when you were given the ticket?
Sir, you mind if I ask a question?
I'm just asking you that question.
Do you mind if I ask a question, sir?
I don't mind if you ask a question.
Okay, so is the court making a presumption that I don't have the right to travel in my private property?
I'm asking if you had a driver's license.
Do I have to ask it again? Is the court making a presumption that I don't have the right to travel in my private property?
This court is not having a trial today. If you want to have a trial, we can set this for a trial, and then I can make findings.
I'm just asking a question.
I answered your question.
Yes or no, please?
It's not a yes or no. We're not having a trial today.
Is the court making a presumption that I don't have the right to travel in my private property?
Sir, the argument that you're making is not something that's recognized by the courts of the state of Illinois.
Objection,
There's
sir.
no objection. Would you like this to be set for a trial?
I'm not arguing. I'm just asking questions. I got the right to ask questions.
Would you like this to be set for a trial, sir?
How can we settle this today?
We can't settle this today unless you get a driver's license or have proof of insurance.
Is the court making a presumption that I have to have a driver's license to travel in my private property?
If you're going to be operating a vehicle in the roads of the city of Chicago and the county of Cook, yes, you need a driver's license. There's no objection. I answered your question, sir.
Is operating and traveling the same thing?
If you are operating a motor vehicle,
objection.
Whether it is your property,
objection.
Can you stop objecting to me?
Yeah, but I'm not going to, because you're making the assumption that I was operating and traveling in a motor vehicle.
All right. I'm going to set this for trial. We're going to have the officer in court. This is going to be the operating taillights inoperable. We have a valid driver's license issue. We have operating an uninsured vehicle.
Sir,
we can have a trial on all these things, and you can make all the arguments at that point, okay?
Objection. I'm not arguing. I'm just asking questions.
You're interrupting me when I'm trying to answer your questions.
I'm going to appoint you as the trustee to settle and close this matter today, sir.
That's not how this works.
Let the record reflect.
This is going to be
that I'm appointing you, Mitchell Goldberg.
I am a judge. I can't be your agent in any capacity, sir.
Well, I motion to
I'm setting this
dismiss.
for a trial. This is key of why.
I motion to dismiss.
The motion to dismiss, I'm going to say oral motion to dismiss is denied.
On what grounds?
There are very few bases that you can give me to make a dismissal.
On what grounds are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Failure to give me a legal basis to dismiss. Oral motion to dismiss is denied.
You don't have evidence, and you don't have a complaining witness in court. Sir, are you operating in a judicial capacity or administrative capacity?
Oral motion to dismiss is denied.
Are you acting in a judicial or administrative capacity, Mr. Goldberg?
I am a judge of the state of Illinois, sir.
Okay.
I am not able to act as your agent. I merely hear cases. I make legal decisions based on evidence that is presented to me and legal arguments presented to me.
That's great.
I'm setting this for a trial.
What evidence has been presented today?
The evidence will be presented at the trial, sir.
But I just sat here and watched other cases be dismissed without any evidence.
July 20th, 22.
Whatsoever.
At 9 a.m. with for bench on Zoom.
Objection.
Same Zoom information as today, sir.
There's no jurisdiction proven on the record. If you place the jurisdiction on the record, do you have personal jurisdiction? Let me ask. I'm asking.
July 20th at 9 a.m.
Do you have jurisdiction, sir?
It's going to be with for bench, Zoom. Same Zoom information as today.
Do you have jurisdiction?
I have the jurisdiction of the state of Illinois.
What?
Jurisdiction is found by this court if you are operating a vehicle on the streets of the state of Illinois.
You making an assumption that's not in evidence, sir.
Motion defendant to 7/20/22 at 9 a.m. with for bench on Zoom. Same Zoom information.
I object to these proceedings.
You'll be able to make any arguments you want at that point.
Objection. I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking questions so that I can get a better understanding of what's going on here.
What we've done, what I'm doing is setting this matter for a trial. If you have any written motions that you wish to file, file them.
Objection, sir. You asked me if I wanted to set it for trial. You asked me if I wanted to set it for trial.
You ask me questions. I try to answer your questions, and you interrupt me. This is a court of law, sir. I'm setting your matter for a trial. Your trial date is July 20th at 9 a.m.
Sir,
to the extent you wish to file any written motions, do so before then.
I'm the equitable title holder. I'm the equitable title holder, sir.
But your trial date is July 20th at 9 a.m. This matter is continued until that date. Okay?
All rights reserved.
Please write that down. July 20th, 9 a.m.
Can I ask a question?
For bench on Zoom.
Can I ask a question?
You can unmute now.
I would like to know what my rights are in these proceedings, sir.
You have the right to bring an attorney, or if you have any evidence or arguments you wish to present, bring any evidence you have. If you have a motion you wish to file it in advance of July 20th, 22. I'm writing here, defendant will file written papers
Objection.
if desired.
I'm not the defendant. I'm here by special appearance to challenge the jurisdiction, sir. I mentioned that in the beginning.
If you wish to file written papers on those issues, please file them in advance of the date of trial.
Objection. That's bias, sir, because you let the attorneys file oral motions here, and why would I need to file anything written? That's prejudice.
There's no prejudice. I'm giving you the opportunity that every other litigant gets. You can feel free to file anything you want in advance for your trial date. Your trial date is now July 20th. In fact, I'm doing this order of court. Order of court, July 20th, 9 a.m. with revenge Zoom.
So how do I file anything in evidence, sir? How do I file my documents into the evidence file?
With the clerk of the circuit court.
How?
You contact the clerk of the circuit court.
Every time I call,
I can't give you legal advice, sir.
You hearing the case, you're not giving legal advice.
Correct. So to the extent you wish to do so, there's legal services, legal aid that you can contact.
I'm not asking for legal advice, sir.
Association and ask for a legal referral. You can do that too.
I'm asking for your judicial opinion. I'm not asking for legal advice.
I'll give my opinion and a decision, a judgment, at trial date of July 20th at 9 a.m., sir.
Can I ask another question?
No. We're going to see you with all your arguments on July 20th.
Objection.
Sir.
I'm not arguing. I just want a question. What's the difference between judicial determination and giving legal advice? Can you define giving legal advice?
Judicial determination is the judgment of the court. Legal advice is advice regarding your case that you can obtain from contacting an attorney. All right. The matter is now continued order of court till July 20th, 9 a.m. for trial.
Is the city making an offer today?
I'm moving on to the next matter. Thank you very much.
Is the city making an offer today?
Telephone numbers 312 ending in a 970. 312 ending in 970. Please unmute. *6.